spot price and the further future price when expresses as an annual percentage rate is known as forward rate. Changes. This is the change of the price of the metal from the previous close, which is not necessary to the previous day. Weekdays from 6 p.m. NY time until midnight the previous close from the current day. Here why the time the gold market spot trading in New York on weekdays for 60-minute period from 5 p.m. New York time until 6:00 p.m. We use the last quotes at 5 p.m. as the close to the given day. Change is always the difference between the current price and the price at 5 p.m. For example, gold last trade at $1200 at 5 p.m. on January 17. If it is on January 17 at 6:30 p.m., the price is $1202. We will show the change plus 2. If the January 18 at the 5 p.m. the gold quotes $1225, then it will be changed plus 25 at the time. Gold feature change. This is the change in the price of the metal from the price at the end of the previous trading session. Currently, the weekend closing time 2:00 p.m. Eastern Time. 30-day change. The change in the price of the metal 30 days along the previous close. 1 year change. This is the change price metal along year ago today as opposite from the previous close. How is the live spot gold price calculated? Every precious metal market has corresponding the benchmark price that's set on the daily basis. These benchmarks are used mostly for commercial contract and producer agreement. The benchmarks are calculated partly from trading activity on the spot market. The spot price is determined from trading activity on over the counter (OTC). Over the counter is mean OTC, decentralized market, and OTC is not a formal exchange, and prices are negotiated directly between participants, with most of the transactions taking place electronically. Although these are not regulated, financial institutions play an important role, acting as market makers, providing a bid and ask price for the spot market. What is the bid price for gold? The bid price is highest price someone is willing to pay on an ounce of gold. What is the ask price for gold? The ask price is the lowest price